Tips to help you select the right materials for your home. Selecting the right materials for your home is a crucial decision that can significantly impact the overall look, functionality, and durability of your space. Whether you are building a new home or renovating an existing one, choosing the right materials is essential to ensure your investment stands the test of time. Here are 10 valuable tips to help you make informed choices when selecting materials for your home. 1. Define your budget. Before you start exploring material options, establish a clear budget for your project. Knowing your financial limitations will help you narrow down choices and prevent overspending. 2. Consider your style. Determine the style or theme you want for your home. Whether it's modern, rustic, traditional, or eclectic, your choice of materials should align with your design preferences. 3. Prioritize durability. Invest in materials that are durable and can withstand the wear and tear of daily life. Consider factors like the material's lifespan, maintenance requirements, and its ability to resist damage from pets, children, or harsh weather conditions. 4. Energy efficiency. If you're concerned about energy consumption and sustainability, opt for materials that offer good insulation and energy efficiency. This can lower your utility bills and reduce your environmental footprint. 5. Research eco-friendly options. Sustainable building materials are becoming increasingly popular. Look for materials made from recycled or renewable sources, as well as those with low VOC, volatile organic compound, emissions, to promote a healthier living environment. 6. Think long-term. Think about the long-term costs and benefits of your material choices. While some materials may have a higher upfront cost, they can save you money in the long run through lower maintenance and energy expenses. 7. Sample and test. Whenever possible, obtain samples of materials you're considering. This allows you to assess their texture, color, and quality in your specific lighting conditions and space. You can also conduct durability tests to ensure they meet your expectations. 8. Consult with professionals. Seek advice from architects, interior designers, and contractors who have experience working with different materials. They can provide valuable insights into the pros and cons of various options and help you make informed decisions. 9. Balance aesthetics with functionality. While aesthetics are important, don't compromise functionality for the sake of style. Ensure that the materials you choose can serve their intended purpose effectively. For example, kitchen countertops should be both visually appealing and durable. 10. Plan for maintenance. Consider the maintenance requirements of the materials you select. Some may need regular cleaning, sealing, or refinishing, while others are virtually maintenance-free. Choose materials that align with your willingness and ability to maintain them over time. In conclusion, selecting the right materials for your home involves a thoughtful and systematic approach. By setting a budget, understanding your style preferences, prioritizing durability and energy efficiency, researching eco-friendly options, and seeking professional advice, you can make informed choices that enhance the beauty, comfort, and value of your home while also ensuring its longevity. Remember that each home project is unique, so tailor your material selections to your specific needs and goals to create a space that you'll enjoy for years to come.